Hi, this is Wesley Dotson down here at Central Kentucky Classic Cars, and man, do I got a good one for you. I got a 1967 Chevrolet Camaro RS. This car is finished in beautiful butternut yellow with the black stripe. It's got the black interior, absolutely gorgeous, and we're going to take a look at it. If you have any questions on this car, you can give me a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. But we're going to take a look at this 1967 Chevrolet Camaro RS. This is a true RS car out of the factory. It is a true butternut yellow car out of the factory, YY. And it is a true rally sport, like I said. And it does have the hideaway headlights. They have been converted over to electric, which is a really, really nice touch. Has bumper guards on it. Lots and lots of money has been spent on this car right here, and brand new wheels and tires on the car. It's got a brand new 383 stroker blueprint crate engine in the car, which is super nice. We'll take a look at the passenger side of the interior first. All the interior is in excellent condition. Really, really looks good. Steering wheel's in nice shape. All the seats are looking good. No rips or tears in the seats. Really, really looks good. Headliner's in great shape. So, shut the door here. I'll show you the bottom of the doors. I'm sorry. All the doors look good. Nice and clean. We'll shut the door here. We'll take a look at inside the trunk. Inside the trunk is finished nicely. It's got the trunk mat. It's got the spare tire and the jack equipment. Really looks good. Has the trunk stickers. Just really, really nice and clean. So I'm going to shut the trunk here, and we're going to start it up and see how it sounds. Sounds good. Cut it off here. Like I said, all the interior's in great shape. Really, really nice and clean. Looks good. Shut the door. I'll show you the headliner. I'll show you the bottom of the doors here. Shut the door. Let me show you underneath the hood. Like I said, underneath the hood, it's powered by a 383 blueprint crate engine. It's aluminum head. It's got power steering. It's got power disc brakes on it. Just really, really nice and clean. This car has a 350 turbo automatic transmission. It also has a 12-bolt rear end in this car. 12-bolt rear end in the car. So it's really, really nice. Let me show you the trim tag here. So trim tag there. Pause it and take a picture of it if you like. But we're going to shut the hood here. We'll take one more quick look at the 1967 Chevrolet Camaro RS. If you have any questions on this car, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. But we're going to take this Camaro for a test drive and see how it does. All right, we're going to take this 1967 Chevrolet Camaro RS for a test drive and see how it does. Show you the dash there. Beautiful day here in Kentucky. Perfect day to be driving classic cars. We're going to take this Camaro out and see how it does. The leaves are falling and we're driving classic cars.
Can't get much better than that, can you?
No, sir. Oh, we got a little bit of traffic coming. As it clears out, we'll be ready to go. All right, here we go. shifts through all the gears the right way. Just an excellent running, driving car. Like we do every time, I'm going to have Dad get on it just a little bit, and we'll see what this car's made of.
Car feels pretty healthy.
Yeah. It's got a great 383 stroker blueprint crate engine in the car. So it's a great engine that Blueprint makes, and we're going to see what it's made of here. So we go around the curve and head back towards the shop. All right, here we go. The only thing you'd have to do with this car is, like I say, a lot of times get you a shelf for all your trophies you'd have to collect with this car. So, but like I said, it really does nice. Super clean car. We're almost back here. Like I say every time, don't forget to like and subscribe on our page. Helps us out a ton. You can see more cool muscle cars and trucks just like this one. And we're going to show you what this car looks like underneath. If you have any questions, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572. Our website is centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. But here's the underneath.